Alright, this is exercise 5.3, managing files with file screening, as part of the Microsoft official academic course administering Windows Server 2012 R2 in preparation for the exam 70-411. In the overview, during this exercise, we're going to continue to use the File Server Resource Manager by using the file screening. The mindset: you have a file server that ran out of disk space. Last week there was plenty of space, and this week there was none. While looking at the files that are stored, you notice that a couple of users have stored movie and music collections. This is a big problem. File screening allows you to prevent certain files from being saved to a folder based off of the file name extension. And the approximate completion time for this lab is 20 minutes. With that, let's get started. And we're going to go right to server 1. Again, I'm logged into server 1 as Contoso administrator. All right, let's go to the File Server Resource Manager, which I had open from the previous exercise. And we're going to expand the File Screening Management, which is right here. And we're going to click on the File Groups node. We're going to right-click File Groups and click on Create File Group. We're going to name this File Group 1. Now, to include video files and all files with the file extension name, we're going to type in star.ram, and then we're going to click on Add. We also want to include star.rm, add star.avi, add star.wmv, add star.mpg, and add. Now, to add files to exclude, we're going to type in hello.avi, click on Add, and then we're going to go ahead and click on OK. To close the Create File Group Properties dialog box, and here we're going to click on the File Screens node, right-click, and Create File Screen. We're going to type C:/share4. We're going to click Define Custom File Screen Properties, and then click on Custom Properties. And we're going to select File Group 1. To log an event, we're going to click on the Event Log tab, and then click to select Send Warning to Event. Then we'll go ahead and click on OK. And then click on Create. And then click on as a template. And then, yes, so okay. And I need to name it. Oops. Okay, so we want to save the custom file without creating a template. And then go ahead and click on OK. And now we're going to go to our File Explorer, go to the C drive, our Share 4, and then the File Explorer, we're going to click on the View tab. Ensure the file name extension is selected. Right here. I'm going to minimize this for just a minute. And then the instructions say on the desktop, so I'm going to right click, click on New. We're going to create a text file. It's going to be called test1.avi. And then OK. And then yes. And now we're going to copy this to the Shared 4 folder. And you'll see you need permission to perform this action. So we'll go ahead and click on Cancel. And then rename the test1.avi to hello.avi. And we'll go ahead and copy this over, and you'll see that it did allow that. Now we'll go ahead and open up the event viewer. And you'll see we did get a warning. Okay, let's go through and answer some of these questions. So the first question for this exercise was, what message did you get when you first tried to copy the file? And we got an error that said, you need permission to perform this action. The next one, what event ID was used for files that were not permitted for file screening? And the answer to that is 8215. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and close our event viewer. And this is the end of this exercise and the end of this video. The next exercise is exercise 5.4, using storage reports.